Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Zoho Books. We are going to cover the pros and cons. I'll tell you more about this beautiful software, and then we'll check up the pricing so you exactly know what you have to prepare for. So, Zoho Books is a simple and affordable accounting software that specializes in keeping a detailed track of your cash flow, of your business, and helping you track your expenses and income. The software also provides you with multi-currency features that is helpful for an organization making transactions in multiple currencies across the globe. Zoho Books also offers professional invoice services along with a tax filing portal that allows you to directly file your returns. The software also provides other accounting services like bank reconciliation and handling your general and accountant, letting you concentrate more on core activities. It's made for all types of businesses, from small to medium to large, but even for freelancers, and I would say also for individuals. If you have your own small business, you can easily use Zoho with you or your team. You can run it in your PC, in the web browser, or in your mobile phone. If it's Android or iOS, they actually didn't care that much. They are providing really nice options from all the packages. We are starting at 0 to, if you commit obviously with a yearly plan, you'll get a discount. I believe it's like 20%. And with standard, you have, well, it's 10 euros per month, per organization a month, bill annually, so 120 a year. You can invite 3 users, includes everything in free. So basically you have all of those integrations with Zoho apps and other apps. Then with standard, there are integrations with Zoho People and Zoho Projects. And I believe, what are we looking with integrations, it really stops at $30 premium. But other than that, you can integrate it through Zapier very easily. Other thing is, and the Zoho advantage is that they are also providing Zoho CRM, so you can get everything in under one roof. So there's a standard plan, professional, premium, elite, and ultimate, where everything is maxed out, and also you can invite up to 15 users and 25 custom modules, which is in beta. And cash flow forecasting report. Yeah, and then up from premium, it's just about the users and forecasting and cash flow forecasting. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.